my delicious and super easy to make shakshuka. All right, you need to watch this video. You're gonna love it. It's so easy to make. Everyone should learn how to make this. And by the way, it goes fantastic with my baguette. Hello, you can find that recipe on my YouTube channel. Wow. I'm Christina Monty Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my version of shakshuka. This is a delicious dish. People think of it and they think, oh, it's, a Middle Eastern dish, but really its roots started in North Africa. It's a simple sauce made with tomatoes and peppers and some nice herbs and spices, and you poach your eggs in it. So it's basically poached eggs in a tomato and pepper sauce. That's what shakshuka is. And I'm gonna show you my version. So here are the ingredients. I use some crushed tomatoes. I've got some fire roasted bell peppers that I've diced up, some thinly sliced white onion. You can also use shallot if you want. I've got some cumin and paprika. Got olive oil, some minced garlic. I've got these Calabrian chilies. You don't have to add this. I'm adding it to make it super spicy, and they are so good. I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of fresh parsley. You could also use dill if you want. And then I'm going to put my goat cheese over the beautiful eggs and the shakshuka sauce once it's all ready to go. So I'm gonna top it all off with some beautiful goat cheese, okay? Oh, and most importantly, the eggs. I have 5 eggs here. These are eggs, very important. They're from my dear friend Marilee Kazaks. She is raising her own hens. God bless her sweet soul. And these are the first 5 eggs that she's been able to get from her hens. So thank you, Marilee. You are such a dear friend. I love you. Thank you for these eggs. They're gonna be amazing in this shakshuka. Get a medium pan, set it on the stovetop between medium and medium-high heat. All right, so I put in some fresh cracked pepper. I'm gonna put some salt down, using about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a little bit of cumin. I like to put my spices in first. That's just me. Some people want to do it once they get the tomatoes in there. I'm not that way. Okay, now I'm getting the onions in. Oh my goodness, the paprika and the cumin. I'm so excited right now. Sauté these onions until they're a little translucent. Then we're gonna add the tomato sauce and the peppers. These onions are almost done. Okay, so I'm gonna put the peppers in next. Let those kind of mix in with those yummy spices. It smells so good. Once the peppers are kind of in there and you've got them combined with the cumin and the smoked paprika, salt and pepper, let that cook a minute. I'm going to put the garlic in next just so that it can get onto the bottom of the pan. Right here, just these ingredients. Wow, I gotta make this into something. It is so yummy smelling. That was about 3 minutes, and now I'm adding in the tomato sauce. These are the crushed, it's really not a tomato sauce, I'm sorry, they're crushed tomatoes. Oh, it is smelling incredible. So once this is warm and these tomatoes are cooking nicely with the peppers, which is going to be about 3 more minutes, I'm going to taste the sauce, but at this point, it's basically ready. This is completely optional, but I like a lot of spice. So I'm adding my Calabrian chilies to my sauce. You do not have to do this. I am doing it because I like it spicy. I've got 5 eggs, so I'm gonna do 1 in the center, and I'm gonna go 4 on the outsides. Make my little wells. Oh, they're happy, happy, beautiful eggs. 2. Talk about farm fresh eggs. Wow. 4. I have my heat turned down. I'm gonna turn it back up. I brought it, so it's at medium. So now these are already cooking. Look at them, they're cooking. And then I'm gonna grab my lid and I'm just gonna cover it. Okay, you guys, as you can see, they are cooking up nicely. They probably need like 2 more minutes and they are gonna be good to go. So now that the eggs are mostly cooked or poached, as we can say, I'm going to now sprinkle on some yummy goat cheese. Keep the goat cheese in your fridge until you're ready to put it on top. I had it out because I was doing pictures to show you guys like what are the ingredients. And I do about a half a cup of goat cheese. You could do no cheese at all. You don't even need cheese for this. If you're trying to lose weight and, you know, reach a goal, don't put the cheese. It's fine. We are almost there. I'm just going to cover one more time. All right. There it is. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. And for the final touch, we're going to garnish with some beautiful parsley. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. And I've got some Celtic sea salt here. Wow. So I made some fresh baguette. We're just gonna dip in and taste this yummy shakshuka. Oh my gosh, here we go. You can dip in some pita, or I've got a fresh homemade baguette here. Oh my goodness. So there it is, my yummy homemade shakshuka. So good. So delicious. Wow. The yummy tomato sauce with the peppers, the cumin, the paprika. I have garlic. I put some Calabrian chilies in here for a little spice. Belly warming. I can't even explain it. So delicious. I have to eat this whole pan now because you guys aren't here. So my assistant, Sophia, and I, we're going to eat this whole pan of shakshuka. Hey, remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.